In a world where tablets are either too big to carry or too small to be useful, Apple's iPad mini has always stood alone as the perfect middle ground. Compact, powerful, and uniquely personal. And now, the next generation is coming, and it's shaping up to be something truly extraordinary. The upcoming iPad mini 8 isn't just another refresh. It's a complete reimagination of Apple's smallest tablet, a device that could easily blur the line between portability and pure performance. And if the latest leaks and insider whispers are true, Apple might be preparing to unleash one of its boldest updates yet. So let's talk about everything we know, or think we know, about this little powerhouse. Recent leaks coming straight out of Apple's internal testing data point toward one major revelation. The iPad mini 8 could be running on the brand new A19 Pro chip, a processor that's rumored to redefine mobile computing. This isn't just an incremental boost. We're talking about the kind of raw power designed for Apple's upcoming AI-driven ecosystem, capable of handling advanced graphics, machine learning, 4K video editing, and multitasking with absolute ease. Imagine a chip built to compete with laptop-grade processors, tucked inside an 8-inch frame that fits effortlessly in your hand. That's not just evolution. That's Apple flexing its silicon dominance in the most compact form possible. And then there's the display, the heart of the user experience. For years, fans have begged for OLED, and according to multiple reliable sources, Apple finally listened. The iPad mini 8 is expected to feature a gorgeous OLED display, replacing the old LCD with richer blacks, deeper contrast, and color vibrancy that's on par with the iPhone Pro line. Some reports even suggest the screen will grow slightly larger, expanding from 8.3 to roughly 8.7 inches, giving it a more immersive feel without increasing the overall footprint. Picture watching HDR movies, sketching digital art, or editing photos on a screen that feels alive, one that responds to every touch with stunning visual clarity. And here's the kicker. Insiders claim Apple is optimizing the OLED to make it more power efficient, giving users longer battery life while maintaining peak brightness levels, so you'll get more done without constantly reaching for the charger. Design-wise, Apple isn't reinventing the wheel, it's refining it. Expect a sleeker chassis with thinner bezels, subtly curved edges, and that signature aluminum unibody that feels both light and premium in your hand. Rumors hint at new color options too, possibly inspired by the M5 iPad Pro, including darker titanium tones that scream sophistication. Of course, USB-C is here to stay, but this time, it's expected to support faster data transfers and improved charging efficiency. Connectivity could see a big jump as well, with Wi-Fi 7 rumored to make its debut, giving users lightning-fast wireless performance that rivals high-end laptops. All of this points to one clear message. Apple wants to make the Mini feel more pro than ever before. But what about the software side? Well, whispers suggest Apple's been quietly tuning iPadOS 19 to take full advantage of the smaller form factor. That means smoother multitasking, smarter split-screen interfaces, and optimized touch gestures that make the Mini feel like a true productivity tool rather than just a content device. Pair that with full support for the Apple Pencil Pro and Magic Keyboard compatibility, and you're looking at a portable workstation capable of everything from digital illustration to professional note-taking. It's not hard to imagine content creators, students, or even business travelers falling in love with this form factor all over again. However, it's not all perfect sunshine. Some leaks claim the refresh rate might remain at 60 Hz instead of 120 Hz ProMotion. For some users, that might sound disappointing, but keep in mind that an OLED panel at 60 Hz will still look incredibly smooth thanks to Apple's adaptive touch algorithms and motion tuning. The trade-off likely comes down to battery optimization and product positioning. Apple wants to reserve its high refresh rate displays for the Pro lineup, keeping the Mini powerful yet accessible. Speaking of accessibility, let's address the potential price. Industry analysts predict that with the OLED upgrade and next-gen chipset, the iPad mini 8 might cost a bit more than its predecessor. While the iPad mini 7 started around $499, insiders suggest the iPad mini 8 could land somewhere near $599 to $649, depending on configuration. But when you consider what's packed inside, A19 Pro performance, OLED visuals, Wi-Fi 7 and that refined design, the value seems more than justified. And let's not forget, Apple's pricing always reflects the level of engineering precision that goes into each product. Now, what about release timing? Here's where things get interesting. Early speculation pointed toward a late 2025 launch, but the latest reports indicate Apple may delay it until early 2026 or possibly even fall of that year. Why? Well, it all comes down to OLED production and supply chain logistics. Apple doesn't rush perfection, and when it comes to display technology, they want everything tuned to their highest standards before going public. The delay could also mean we'll see even more advanced features baked into the final version, like improved heat management, better haptics, and deeper integration with Apple's growing AI ecosystem. Speaking of AI, that's another huge piece of the puzzle. The A19 Pro chip is built with on-device intelligence in mind. That means we could see a wave of AI-powered features exclusive to the iPad mini 8. Things like live transcription, smarter Siri responses, real-time translation, and content-aware editing tools that make creative work faster and more intuitive than ever. Essentially, Apple is giving you a pocket-sized AI workstation that learns from your habits and makes your workflow smoother over time. Imagine sketching something and having the tablet automatically suggest corrections or color palettes. That's the future we're heading into. And yes, the camera system is also getting attention. While no major leaks confirm exact specs, expect improved sensors for sharper video calls and better low-light photos. Apple might also integrate its neural engine-powered image processing, making every shot look professional, even if you're just snapping a quick document scan. All of this adds up to a device that feels smarter, faster, and more alive than ever. But beyond the specs and features, what makes the iPad mini 8 truly exciting is what it represents. The idea that power doesn't have to be big. Apple's been pushing that philosophy for years, but this is the first time we're seeing it materialize in a product that combines desktop-level performance, premium visuals, and true portability. It's not just another iPad, it's the future of compact computing. Whether you're a digital artist sketching on the go, a student juggling assignments, or a traveler who wants to carry power without weight, the iPad mini 8 seems ready to deliver a premium experience in every scenario. And as the leaks continue to surface, one thing is becoming crystal clear. Apple's smallest tablet might soon become its most powerful statement piece. Now let's take a step back, because while we wait for official confirmation, the speculation alone shows how much excitement the Mini still generates. There's something magical about this form factor. It's intimate, it's personal, and it's versatile. Add OLED brilliance, next-gen silicon, and AI-driven intelligence, and it becomes more than just a gadget. It becomes an extension of your lifestyle. So as we move closer to 2026, all eyes will be on Apple's next move. Will they surprise us with a new design? Will we finally get promotion or a Face ID sensor built into the power button? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure. The iPad mini 8 is shaping up to be the most anticipated small tablet in years, and when it finally arrives, it could easily steal the spotlight from the bigger models. Until then, keep your notifications on, because every new leak brings us one step closer to understanding what Apple's been quietly building behind closed doors. The wait might feel long, but if history's taught us anything, it's that when Apple takes its time, the result is nothing short of spectacular. The iPad mini 8 might just be the perfect blend of innovation, portability, and raw performance. A device that proves that sometimes the most powerful things really do come in the smallest packages.